Okay, so in this video, I'm going to solve a problem in 4.8, Erlang distribution. So in a data communication system, several messages that arrive at a node are bundled into a packet before they are transmitted over the network. Assume the messages arrive at the node according to the Poisson process with lambda is 25 messages per minute. Find messages are used to form a packet, round your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay, question 8. What is the mean time until a packet is formed? That is, until 5 messages arrive at the node. And keep in mind this, the unit of the answer should be seconds, right there. Okay, so, all right. So here, the problem looks like the Poisson problem is about Poisson distribution, but the question, when you look at the question, um, is to find out the mean time until packet is formed. So this is we have to define the all-in this random variable first. Okay. So the question A. So they're gonna ask the problem asking you to find expected value of x. Here the x is what? X is the time until the 5 messages arrive at the node. So this is the time. Okay, 5 messages arrives at a node. Okay, so then here's 5 message. That's gonna be R, and the lambda is given problem, right? Which is 25. So in the Erlang distribution, expected value is R over lambda, right? So this is 5 over 25. That is 1 over 5, right? Minute. Keep in mind this, the unit is a minute, right? But the problems ask us to write the answer with the second. Okay, so the 1 over 5 minute is what? That's gonna be just 12 seconds, right? So this is equal to 1 over 5 times 60 seconds, right? So which is 12. The B, what is the standard deviation of the time until a packet is formed? Or so the answer, the unit of answer is second. So the variance in the Erlang distribution, the formula of the variance is R over lambda square, so which is 5 over 25 square. Okay, that's the unit is a minute, and then we convert the unit minute to seconds. We can do by multiplying by 60. That's going to be second. Okay. Now then, the C. What is the probability that a packet is formed in less than 10 seconds? So here, let's say let me define new random variable. Y denote the number of messages that arrive in 10 seconds. Okay. That arrive in 10 seconds. Okay. Then y, see that here, y is basically y is what? Y is the discrete random variable, but especially what? Poisson random variable with the lambda is 25. Okay, per minute, which means that 5 messages per 10 seconds. The what 25 over 6 messages per 10 seconds. Make sense? Okay. So then what I mean is this. Then y is a Poisson random variable with lambda is 25. Okay, this is what is lambda 25? What does that mean? 25 messages per minute. Okay, so per minute, that we have to let's convert this the the mean number of the message per minute to the mean number of message per 10 seconds. So this is going to be then 25 per minute. That is equal to 25 over what? 6 per 10 seconds. Okay. So now and then the question, question C is what? What's the question? What is the probability that a packet is formed in less than 10 seconds? Then that means probability that the random variable y, which is the number of messages that arrive in 10 seconds, that is greater than or equals 5. Okay. If number of the messages exceed 5, okay, in 10 seconds, all right, that's the probability that the packet is formed in less than 10 seconds, right? So this is equal to 1 minus probability that y is less than or 4, is it? Okay. So now this is equal to what? This is 1 minus what? 1 minus this is a probability that y is equal to 0, and a plus probability that y equals 1, plus through the probability that y is equal to 4. Okay. So 4. Okay. So now then this is equal to 1 minus. What is this? In the Poisson process, the probability that, I mean, this is the PMF of y in Poisson process, Poisson distribution. So this is going to be e to the, I mean, this is e to the negative lambda times a lambda to the x over x factorial. That's the formula of the PMF of the Poisson distribution, right? So e to the negative 5, e to the 25 over 6, e to 25 over 6, okay, times 25 over 6 to the 0th power over 0 factorial, okay, and then plus e to the negative 25 over 6 times 25 over 6, okay, to the 1st power over 1 factorial through the last one is e to the negative 25 over 6 times 25 over 6 to the 4th power divided by 4 factorial. Okay. All right. So now then, using calculator, and then you can get this. You can get this one, 0.404. Okay. I mean, I'll just round the decimal place, round the number to three decimal places. Okay. The last problem. What is the probability that a packet formed in less than 5 seconds? Okay, so 5 seconds, then what? Similar to that problems, okay? So similar to this problem, we convert the lambda, the per minute, to the number per mean number of the the mean number of the message per 5 seconds. Then we divide the 25 by 12. Okay. Let's see. So the problem D, this, let's say y be the number of the messages that arrive in 5 seconds. Okay. Number of messages arrive in 5 seconds. Okay. Then lambda going to be what? Then lambda going to be lambda is 25. Was a 25 messages per minute, right? Okay, we convert the unit to the 5 seconds. Then this is going to be 25 over not 6 but 12, is it? Per minute, per 5 seconds. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is new kind of lambda of that random variable y. And the question is this: find the probability that y is greater than or equals 5. This is equal to 1 minus probability that y is less than or equals 4. Okay, so that is equal to what? Let's just do But with similar, similarly, we do like this one. Okay, so this is 1 minus what? Probability that y equals 0 plus probability that y equals 1 plus through the probability that y equals 4. So that is equal to 1 minus what? E to d minus 25 over 12 times 25 over 12 to the 0th power over 0 factorial plus to this e to the negative 25 over 12 times 25 over 12 to the 4th power over 4 factorial. Okay, then you will get this one, a 0.060. Okay, so all right, so sometimes it's when you solve the problem involving Erlang distribution. Okay, so sometimes you have to take a look at carefully. You have to take a look at what unit used in the lambda. Okay, all right. So sometimes you have to convert the unit minute to seconds or minute to 10 seconds, something like this, or meter to centimeter. Okay, so let me stop here.